Is your Cadillac key fob unresponsive or showing an open case error? This likely means you need a new CR2032 battery. First, confirm the issue isn't a software glitch by checking the My Cadillac app for updates or trying a spare fob if available. To open the fob on ATS, CT6, TX, and CS models, locate the seam, usually near the keyring. Gently pry it open with a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, being careful not to scratch the casing or damage internal components. Avoid using excessive force. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. Remove the old CR2032 battery from your Cadillac key fob, noting the correct polarity with the positive side facing up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Use a high-quality OEM or Panasonic battery to avoid counterfeit issues that can cause open case errors. Snap the fob case back together securely. If you get an open case error, try tapping the fob on a hard surface or cleaning the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If the remote still doesn't work, reprogram through the My Cadillac app for newer models or by cycling the ignition. If problems persist, seek professional help.